Welcome everyone, in front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. You can tell this is the Flip 4 by the matte back glass here compared to the glossy glass in Z Flip 3. And I've been using this to play some games, and I'm going to tell you right now, this is not a phone you buy for gaming. You can make it work, let me explain. So by default, games like the Genshin Impact right here, they're going to run okay at 60 FPS for a little bit at lower settings, medium settings, but the problem is the phone is not thick enough to handle the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Don't think the Z Flip 3 or any Z Flip is, to be honest. They really aren't. And so what that results in is the phone will overheat, and so I'm playing on lower settings. Right now it's running at 60 FPS, and I'm going to be playing for 5 minutes time, and it's going to drop to 10 FPS, 15 FPS. The game actually becomes unplayable even at the lowest graphics settings. So if you do care about gaming in the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, you will need to buy a cooler fan. That is a must, okay? I personally use cooler fans to record all of my videos. So if you do want to get a cooler fan for yourself, I'll have the link for the Black Shark cooler fan I use in the description. It's very effective at cooling down. You'll be able to run this game at medium, high, even higher settings with the cooler fan. Without the cooler fan, you're running at lowest, and it's not even going to give you a smooth 60 like a cooler fan would give. Now when it does come to gaming mode options here, if I go into the gaming mode, you do have priority and you have some other stuff as well. But the facts of the situation are there is no real stuff I'm looking for. So for example, I'm looking for an option to charge the power the Z Flip 4 without charging the battery. That is a massive feature, because when I'm gaming, I'm draining battery really fast. The battery cycles are going to go down, and so what that means is the phone is going to be used too much. The battery will be worn quickly. But if you have an option to play the game without using the battery, then the battery health is not going to be effective, and that's very important, because that means more time between replacing the battery in your smartphone, which is very good. But I mean, you do have some options here. You do have the priority mode. This essentially will clear out the RAM. It will stop stuff like notifications showing up. You can have that on. Then you have the temperature here, so you can auto manage the temperature if you would like to. But you can see here, volume is limited until your phone cools down. Like, there is some insane stuff Samsung does. It will like dim the display, volume capped. You can't even do like the flip mode. Like in some apps, you can just go into flip mode here, and it'll give you an option to use the bottom screen as a trackpad. That even disables. It's kind of crazy, if I'm being honest, the measures they go to. But yeah, if you don't turn on auto manage performance, then it will just throttle even more than it already does. So overall, if you are thinking about this device for gaming, I wouldn't recommend it on its own. If you do get a cooler fan, then this is definitely worth in the gaming, because again, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 will be able to use its raw gaming performance, and it's the latest chip. You'll probably be able to get you will be able to get way better performance. So if you want to buy a Z Flip 4, links in the description. If you want to buy the accessories I mentioned, the cooler fan, links in the description. If you want to buy a case, links in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.